In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Lark Drive. By the end, you'll be able to set up a clean home for your files so projects stay organized and easy to find. This process works on both desktop and mobile, and I'll point out small layout differences so you can follow along confidently. First, open the Lark app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, just continue into your usual account so you can access your files. Before moving on, make sure you're on a stable internet connection so your changes sync right away. Next, go to Drive, sometimes labeled Docs, depending on your version. On desktop, you'll typically see Drive in the left sidebar. On mobile, look for the Drive or Docs icon along the bottom or within the navigation menu. This is the central hub where all your documents, sheets, and folders live. If you're organizing a specific project, consider navigating into the destination location first so the new folder appears exactly where you want it. Once you're in Drive, click the New button. On desktop, this is usually at the top right and may show as a plus symbol or a button labeled New. On mobile, the plus icon might appear in the lower right corner. Tapping or clicking this will open a menu with different item types you can create. From that menu, select Folder. This tells Lark that you're creating a container to hold files and subfolders rather than a document or spreadsheet. If you don't immediately see Folder, scroll through the list. Some versions group options under Categories. Now enter your folder name. Choose something clear and searchable so you and your teammates can recognize it at a glance. A good practice is to include project identifiers, dates, or a brief description like Marketing Assets, Q3, or Client Onboarding, Resources. Avoid overly long names and keep your naming consistent with any team conventions you already use. When you're happy with the name, click Create or OK. The wording may differ slightly depending on your device or app version, but the action is the same. You should see your new folder appear in the current Drive location almost instantly. If you don't, try refreshing the view or checking that you're in the correct directory. That's it. Your folder is now created in Lark Drive. From here, you can open it to add files or create additional subfolders. Keeping your drive tidy saves time, reduces confusion, and helps everyone find what they need faster. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.